Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Ace once here again. So as you can see from the title, today I'll be sharing with you my favorite hand scrub. Now this is my all-time favorite and it gives you instant results. So to start, you are gonna need about 1 teaspoonful of coffee powder. Next, I'll come in with 1 teaspoonful of sugar, then a teaspoonful of olive oil. I'll also come in with some lemon juice and just mix everything up to form a paste. So this is what I do before going to bed. I would take just a little bit of the paste and rub my hands with it. Don't forget in between your fingers. I do this for about 3 minutes. This will get rid of wrinkles and unevenness on your hands. It helps to get rid of, tired and dry hands. It makes the skin more supple. So after scrubbing for about 3 minutes, I'll just leave it on my skin for about 2 more minutes. Then I will rinse it off with lukewarm water. Now I'm ready to go to bed. This increases the hydration on your tired hands. It also improves its elasticity and it brightens up the skin. So if your hands are so dry, give this a try. This is especially good for ladies who put their hands in water a lot. Your hands are gonna look younger and fresher. Okay guys, so this is it and I hope you are going to give it a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.